Welcome back, guys, to another video. It seems like the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF and the new surrounding it is getting pretty popular. Here it is. This is what it looks like. And recently, it's having a sell-off. But if you look at what Blackrock is doing, these guys aren't playing around. Blackrock on pace to become the largest Bitcoin holder in the world with nearly 11,500 Bitcoins in the offering. The world's largest asset manager has quickly accumulated about $500 million worth of cryptocurrency. They pretty much bought all these crypto coins for their ETF. And there's one big thing you need to know is it's not just BlackRock buying these. You got Vanguard, Blackstone, and other guys buying a bunch of Bitcoins, making their own ETF. And what's even crazier is BlackRock, according to some leaks on Twitter, is secretly trying to buy more Bitcoin than ever before. At this pace, BlackRock could soon have more Bitcoin than any other single entity on Earth. And there's a key difference is that public Bitcoin holders like MicroStrategy, which has almost 200,000 Bitcoins, hold the crypto as a treasury reserve asset. And BlackRock is using this as the basis of their ETF, and they are buying a lot. And what's really scary about this is they're not actually telling you how much they want to buy and how fast they're buying these Bitcoins. In fact, many of the information online is hidden. And BlackRock, like I said, they want to be buying these Bitcoin coins for themselves. They don't want other people buying them. And this is becoming super popular. So popular that even Bitcoin is getting a lot of boomer stuff. BlackRock drops boomer Bitcoin ETF ad as the marketing blitz is going up. BlackRock has many clients that are very old. They're old and rich, right? BlackRock doesn't serve the younger guys like you and me who barely have any money. They like to serve older customers with like 1, 2, 3 million or preferably 10, 20, 30 million dollars, like the uber rich class. And guess what? They're trying to get a lot of those clients to buy their flashy Bitcoin ETF. And they're trying to accumulate as many of these coins as possible. Here's the ad from Twitter. You could definitely look at it yourself. And on January 11th, they released their first video. And usually iShares and BlackRock, they don't really come out with advertisements. But because they could make so much money from this, they want to go all out. It's a little frightening considering that, a lot of these guys like the BlackRock CEO, the Blackstone CEO, they used to hate cryptocurrency back like a few years ago. And now they do like a 180. Like, look at this. Just in, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says Bitcoin is no different than gold, and it's an asset that protects you. Now, I like cryptocurrencies. I own a little bit of cryptocurrency myself. But for a lot of these big corporations to literally switch teams in a second just so they could push this ETF on you is pretty crazy. And they're pretty much saying that unlike gold, where they can manufacture new gold, there's only a certain supply of Bitcoin. And it seems like with ads like these, and also interviews and all this buying, BlackRock wants to control crypto. They want to get as many of these Bitcoins as possible, and they want to get as big as possible. This is the new frontier for these guys. And look at here. Vanguard representatives apologize for lack of crypto vision. Vanguard was another one of those guys who absolutely dogged at cryptocurrencies. In fact, if you say crypto and Vanguard in the same sentence, that is a forbidden sentence right there. Vanguard despises crypto, just like many of these bigger, hedge funds and corporations. Now, Vanguard does a 180 as well. They apologize for the lack of crypto vision. They said sorry about all the things we said about crypto before, and they take it all back. And they did it in just because the Bitcoin ETF is so popular now. And it seems like Vanguard is also buying a bunch of cryptocurrencies and, these Bitcoins. But guess what? Like I said, a lot of these buys, we don't really know how much they own until it's too late. But I can assure you that many of these guys, these hedge funds and big corporations, are going all out, buying as many Bitcoins as possible, slow and steadily. Yes, they're buying it for the ETF, but they also want to buy it for themselves and then try to get their customers to buy it. So I say grab some Bitcoins yourself, right? You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, just buy a partial of it and just hold it. I think it's great. And so far, there is so many of these crypto ETFs, guys. It's a brand. You don't have to buy iShares. There's several brands out there that are selling crypto ETFs. And it's just crazy, right? This whole Bitcoin situation is getting out of control. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you later. Subscribe for more news.